Greetings, Daniel Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com, and today I've got a sleep update for you for the Spindle natural latex mattress. Now I've been sleeping on this mattress for like the last 3 months approximately, and I don't have anything negative to say about it. It's a great mattress. This is the first latex core mattress that I've ever slept on, and it took a little while to get used to. It doesn't have the springiness that a coil mattress would have. It's just a different feel. Now what it does have a lot more than the springiness feel is contouring. It's such a contouring mattress. It feels like it just hugs your body when you sleep on it. So this particular mattress is made with Dunlop latex foam. It's a latex core mattress, meaning that it has layers of latex stacked on top of each other to form the core of the mattress. What is inside of this mattress is three 3-inch layers of Dunlop latex foam. So Dunlop latex foam is the most durable foam on the market today. It's been around since the 1940s, and I just did a video, you can find it on my YouTube channel, of a 50-year-old latex mattress that a company in Arizona got from one of their clients. They replaced that mattress and they cut it open, and the latex inside was still resilient. It hadn't caved in, it hadn't formed any valleys or indentations. It was still, I mean, it was old looking because it was from the 1960s, but it was still a really good mattress. So they cut it open and you see the latex foam is in pristine condition. As long as the mattress is kept in a dry place out of the rays of the sun, because the UV rays can damage a foam mattress or any material, the mattress can last many decades. So the advantage of this mattress is that it's a zippered cover. So I've played around with the different firmnesses. I've got a firm layer on the bottom. That's the bottom latex layer, the 3-inch layer. It's the firm layer on the bottom, and then I've got medium and medium. So that's the configuration that I found that worked best for me. Usually I stepped on a bit firmer mattresses than this one, but I found I really got used to the medium feel of it, and it turned out to be really perfect for my sleeping style. I'm an all-around sleeper, so I like sleeping on my back and on my side. And I found for the side sleeping, it just relieves your entire body. It relieves all the pressure points. If you're a side sleeper, you have more concentrated pressure on the hips because more of your body weight is concentrated in a smaller area. So the natural latex has a really good, amazing property of contouring your body and relieving that pressure. And I found with this medium layer on the top, it really made it so that I could just effortlessly change positions and I wouldn't have any discomfort with the mattress. So this is a great option if you are an all-around sleeper or a side sleeper. Back sleepers too will get a really great experience from this, and since it's customizable, you can always take that firm layer from the bottom and put it on top or in the middle. You get different configurations. So that's the great thing about this mattress. You see it's got this zippered portion here. You can remove the top cover and just switch out the different layers of latex inside and get a customized mattress. Another thing I want to say about this mattress is it's really great for someone who wants to have a real deal natural latex mattress. This is as natural as it gets. You get a cotton cover here. Below that is wool, and that acts as the fire barrier, and then you just simply have the 3 layers of Dunlop latex foam. One of the things you probably notice is the price. Now, when you look at the price of this mattress, this is for the queen, you will find it hovers around the $1,200 range. So you might be looking at other mattresses online. You'll see some mattresses going for $400, for example, for a queen mattress with polyurethane on it. Don't be fooled by this mattresses like this, they do not last. They're made with very cheap polyurethane foam. They might look great in the beginning. All the advertising, the pictures might be really nice, but once you get it, first of all, you won't be that impressed. Second of all, it will have a strong chemical smell that will totally invade your apartment or bedroom, living environment. It will be a very strong chemical smell. Not the case with the Spindle. It doesn't have any smell at all. Of course, it smells like something. When you put your face right up against it, you get a faint, natural latex smell. But you won't smell it in your room. You definitely won't smell it through bed sheets and that mattress protector layer. And you won't smell it through your pillow either. So it's not something that will go and fume up your room. Unlike some of these polyurethane mattresses, they're made from petrochemicals from top to bottom. So you're getting fire retardant chemicals, you're getting volatile organic compounds, and the choice is up to you. If you want to go super cheap, you can get a mattress for $400. But you must be warned that in the time that this mattress will last, you'll have gone through at least 4 of those polyurethane mattresses. So to me, it's an investment because you deserve a better mattress. And instead of having a mattress slowly degrade and form valleys and pits and start to sag on you, why not just spend that extra money and get something that will last and stand the test of time throughout all those years. So we're talking for a typical polyurethane mattress that they're getting cheaper and cheaper. So they last about 5 years at the most, maybe 7 years. This will last at least 30 years without showing signs of degradation, because the materials are just very noble. They're natural materials and they just stand the test of time. You can check out my video, the 50-year-old mattress, and you'll see for yourself what this mattress can do. So if you want to check out this mattress against other mattresses in the natural latex space, head on over to my website. That's naturalmattressfinder.com. It's right there on the homepage. You can see the Spindle compared against other mattresses, so you'll be able to compare them by thickness and by mattress type. This mattress falls into the latex core category, meaning that it has different layers of latex stacked on top of each other, and there's hybrid mattresses that will have a hybrid spring system on the bottom and then 1 or 2 layers of foam. But if you want a customizable mattress like the Spindle, typically they are latex core mattresses. You'll rarely find a hybrid mattress that is customizable. So with that being said, I hope you enjoyed seeing this sleep update. I'm really satisfied with this Spindle mattress. I'm going to keep sleeping on it. I really love it. I just can't wait to go to bed. I've actually been going to bed a lot earlier and retuning my circadian rhythm, so I'm just more following the sun. I start to wake up when the sun rises. So one of the factors that helps me do this is to have a really nice sleep surface to sleep on. So when I think about it starts to get to bedtime, I can't wait to just crawl into bed, because I know the bed is just so comforting, it's contouring, and it doesn't have any of those chemicals that are present in new polyurethane mattresses. So thanks for watching this sleep update. Check out the review on my website. Check out the comparison chart on naturalmattressfinder.com. My name is Daniel Boudreau. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I wish you the best sleep of your life on a natural latex mattress. See you on the next video.